Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to save email attachment to Google Drive. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to save email attachment to Google Drive. So we'll start by opening up Gmail. So once you open Gmail right here, you're gonna scroll down to where you're gonna find like any attachment that have been sent to you and you wanna save to Google Drive. So I'm gonna tap on this one right here that sent me an attachment. So I'm gonna tap down here where you see like this scroll instruction. As you scroll down, you're gonna see an attachment right there. So I'm gonna tap on this attachment right here. So this is the attachment I want to save to Google Drive. So on the upper right hand corner, where you're gonna see like a little box that show like an arrow pointing up, a little box that show arrow pointing up, and you're gonna select on that. Once you're gonna select on that, you're gonna give you right here, and you're gonna once you're here, where you're gonna see like the airdrop and the message email, Gmail. So you're gonna just scroll to the left, keep scrolling to the left where you find your drive. So my drive's right there, and you're gonna tap on your drive, your Google Drive. So we're gonna load. So once right here, you're just gonna click upload. And that's how you save an email attachment to Google Drive. If you have any other question, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. As I said earlier, it's a way for you to save money. So I highly recommend for you guys to check it out. And thank you for watching.